floating in the silence, feeling weightless and free. Lost in the melodies, the rhythm sets me free. Softly whispering tunes, easing all my stress away. Let the gentle piano keys guide me through the day. In the cozy corner of the cafe, I find my peace, sipping on my tea. As the melodies never cease, the soothing voice of serenity